Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be exploring the world of opposite words in English. In this video we'll be taking a closer look at some common pairs of opposite words with examples in context. So let's get started. Hot, iced. Example: I love drinking hot coffee in the morning, but I prefer cold iced tea in the summer. Big, small. Example: the elephant is a big animal, while the mouse is small. Happy, sad. Example: she was happy when she received good news, but became sad after hearing about the loss. Day, night. During the day we enjoy outdoor activities, but at night we prefer to relax and sleep. Fast, slow. The cheetah is known for its fast speed, while the turtle moves at a slow pace. Light, dark. When the light is on, the room is bright, but in the dark we can barely see anything. Up, down. Example: she climbed up the stairs to reach the rooftop, and then came down when she was done. Old, young. For example, the old woman reminisced about his youth, while the young child looked forward to growing up. Full, empty. The glass was full of water, but now it's empty as I drank it all. Open, closed. The restaurant was closed for renovations, but today is open and ready to serve customers. Positive, negative. Having a positive attitude can make a big difference in your day, while a negative mindset can bring you down. Strong, weak. He is a strong weightlifter who can lift heavy weights, while she is weak and struggles with lifting. Beautiful, ugly. The sunset over the ocean was a beautiful sight, while the abandoned house was in an ugly state. Clean, dirty. She scrubbed the kitchen until it was clean, but after cooking a big meal it became dirty again. Loud, quiet. Example: during the concert the music was loud, but in the library it's important to keep quiet. Tall, short. He is a tall basketball player while she is short and often needs to climb a stool to reach high shelves. Success, failure. He celebrated his success after winning the competition, while she felt disappointed by her failure to achieve her goal. Safe, dangerous. Wearing a seat belt in a car helps keep you safe, while driving recklessly can be dangerous. Organized, messy. Her desk is always organized with everything in its place, while his workspace is messy. Polite, rude. He always greets others with a polite smile, while she is often rude and disrespectful. Generous, stingy. He is generous and always willing to share, while she is stingy to give anything away. In, out. The cat was in the box, but it jumped out when it heard the noise. Dry, wet. The towel was dry before I used it, but now it's wet after drying my hands. Thick, thin. The thick textbook contains a wealth of knowledge, while the thin booklet provides brief overview. Throw, catch. He threw the ball and he caught it. Same, different. The two Siamese cats look the same, while the two Persians have different fur colors. Cheap, expensive. The cheap car has basic features, while the expensive car is equipped with advanced technology. Ball, bush. He pulled the door towards him and then pushed it away to close it. Innocent, guilty. She was innocent because there was no evidence, while he was guilty because the evidence clearly proved his responsibility. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.